Today I will share how to create double exposure effect in Canva with couple photos. So let's start with it. So I will use these two images and one image I will use from elements in the Canva, and these two images I have downloaded from pexels.com. And let's start using this image first, and I will just make it bigger. Okay, and after that click on BG remover. Okay, and just make it slightly more bigger, and after that use this image, make it bigger, and let's keep it halfway here. Okay, and after that go to apps here and click here and write blend, and click on image blender, and make sure you use the linear tool and just rotate it, make it lower, and after that click on save. Okay, and when this part is done, let's work on the above part, and for that I will just scroll all the way up to Canva elements, and I will use this element which says silhouette of couple, and I will use here, and I will just make it bigger. But as you can see, the silhouette is not visible, so to make it visible I will write here round white glow. Okay, and click on see all and find a suitable image for us. So I will use this one, and right click it, send backward, and I will just make it more smaller. Okay, and just use this silhouette and right click it and click on send backward. Okay, let's click on layer, show layers, and select here and move this one below. Okay, so when this part is done, now just select the main layer, which is the girl silhouette part, and click on Ctrl+X in the keyboard and click on add page, and click on Ctrl+V to paste it. And after that let's come to this page one and change the background color to black, and after that click on share, click on download, and make sure both the file types are in PNG. Okay, so when both the downloads are done, click on add page and just re-upload both the images. And after that come back again to apps, and this time use blend image app. Make sure the blend mode is in screen, and after that for bottom layer select this one, and for the top layer use this one, and your image is done. Click on add page and just add it here. Now let's change the background color, and for that you need to click on BG remover, and after that just shift it here and change the background color. You can try any color you want. I am going for a gradient color, so I will use some light color here and white So I will use this one. So this is the design, and hope you like this tutorial. And if you have any comments about this tutorial or you have any query, please let me know in the comments, and please subscribe to the channel so that you get notified every time I post new tutorials. Thank you.